Listen up, folks. This is not a drill. Now, yes, now, might be your final chance to snag yourself an iPhone. You heard me loud and clear. And I'm not pulling your leg here. I'm dead serious. Our beloved phone, the knight in shiny aluminum, the champion of tech-savvy selfies, could soon be slipping through our fingers. So why wait? Seize the moment, embrace destiny, or risk living in a world where you're stuck explaining why you didn't get it when you had the chance. Spoiler alert, it's not a good look. Run, don't walk, because this might be your very last chance to buy an iPhone. Did you know that your next iPhone could cost as much as a high-end gaming PC? Sounds absurd, right? Well, thanks to the new tariffs, this nightmare scenario might just become reality. Stick around to find out why this could be your last iPhone purchase. In recent weeks, the global tech market has been shaken by sweeping tariffs imposed by the new president. These tariffs, aimed at boosting domestic manufacturing, have hit imports from countries like China and India, two major hubs for Apple's production. With tariffs as high as 54% on Chinese goods and 26% on Indian imports, Apple faces skyrocketing costs to bring iPhones into the US. And guess who ends up footing the bill? That's right, us, the consumers. Let's break it down. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, which currently retails for $1,199, could see a price hike of up to $350 under these tariffs. And if Apple were to move production to the US, labor costs alone could push the price to a jaw-dropping $3,500. For many, this means holding onto their devices longer, leading to a slowdown in the electronics market. But it's not just about the price. Higher costs could lead to decreased demand, forcing Apple to rethink its business model. Stockpiling inventory and diversifying production might soften the blow, but the tariffs' impact on the tech industry and the global economy is undeniable. So what's the takeaway? If you've been eyeing a new iPhone, now might be the time to act. Apple's current stockpile strategy means prices for existing models like the iPhone 16 series might stay stable for a while. But once that inventory runs dry, brace yourself for sticker shock. The tariffs are a wake-up call for all of us. Whether you're an Apple loyalist or just a tech enthusiast, the choices we make today could shape the future of consumer electronics. And there you have it, folks. The time to act is now. Don't let this golden opportunity slip through your fingers. Head to your nearest store or jump online and grab your iPhone before it's too late. Trust me, in the future, you will thank me. So what are you waiting for? Go, go, go. Make your move today and join the iPhone legacy while you still can. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Let's keep this conversation going. And thank you for watching this video.